When it comes to upgrading your property, the materials you choose make all the difference. Let's talk about why concrete stands out as the perfect choice for driveways, patios, walkways, and more. First, concrete is incredibly durable. Whether you're dealing with heavy vehicles, fluctuating weather, or foot traffic, concrete can handle it all. Unlike asphalt or other materials, it doesn't wear down easily, meaning you'll enjoy long-lasting surfaces with minimal maintenance. Speaking of maintenance, concrete is easy to care for. A quick sweep or rinse is usually all it takes to keep it looking clean and fresh. And when sealed properly, it's resistant to stains and water damage, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor applications. Concrete isn't just functional, it's also highly customizable. From polished finishes and stamped patterns to colored designs, concrete can be tailored to match your property's unique style. Whether you're going for a modern look or something rustic, the possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about cost effectiveness. Concrete offers an affordable solution upfront, but its real value comes from its longevity. With proper installation, you're investing in decades of reliable performance, saving you money in the long run. Concrete is also quick to install. Professional contractors can have your surfaces ready in no time, minimizing disruptions to your daily life. Plus, it's an eco-friendly choice. Concrete is made from abundant natural materials, and its durability reduces the need for frequent replacements, lowering your environmental footprint. So, why settle for less when you can have the best? Concrete offers durability, low maintenance, customization, affordability, and eco-friendliness all in one package, ready to transform your property. Choose concrete because your home deserves the best. Contact us today for your concrete project. Visit us at www.concrete4u.net or call +1 4705 756113.